Hey, we're still out here. We're starting it up again. We're going to see what happened. As you can see, here's the box. Here's the box. It's the ground. Here's again the set we bought. Little set, simple set. We only use one piece out of there. A little electric grease. Make sure you have you some grease. You might not can see that. I know you guys might Google me back, call me back and say you can't see it, but it's the electric grease. Wire harness. It's not always the fuel pump. Save you hundreds of money, hundreds of dollars. Finna try to start up again once again. Starts right up. Starts right up. Everything's going. Now, we seem to still have a problem with the float. So eventually we still want to get a fuel pump. But they say it's the cluster. It could be a cluster. So first what you want to do before you even replace your fuel pump is check your cluster. But it still save you tons of money. Right, 200,000 miles. New engine, 140,000. Still running, heavy Chevy style. Once again, it's me. Don't let these guys cheat you.